In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 not launching on Steam. Now bear with me, this can be a bit complicated. If you are trying to fix this issue, please watch the video twice or 3 times so you'll know exactly what you have to do. I'll go slowly and try to kind of show you on my computer as well what you have to do, but please do it yourself and take your time because, again, this will fix your game and you'll be able to play it. So what you have to do is to first find what the problem is. And now, if you are playing on Steam, and only if you're playing on Steam this is going to work, likely it's possible if you're playing on other platforms, however for Steam, it's gonna work for sure, okay? Now what you have to do is first, on Steam, you want to find this location, okay? And this is gonna be the C, Program Files x86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Call of Duty, HQ. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. You want to open up your, as I showed over here, so the File Explorer, you want to go inside Program Files 86, and then as you can see, the next one is going to be Steam, so just look for Steam in here. It's going to be somewhere over here, there we go, Steam. And then over here inside Steam, you want to go inside Steam Apps, okay? Inside Steam Apps, you then want to go inside Common. And if you have, of course, Call of Duty installed, I don't on this computer, you want to go inside Call of Duty HQ or the folder which has the Call of Duty games in it. Now, simply open up that folder and then find the file which is called bootstrapper.log, okay? So this file is going to be in there, double click it and it will open up. Now, this will basically show you the errors, if there were any errors while trying to open up the game. Now what you want to do is open it and check for this error over here. If it says failed to open, question mark, D, game files, Steam library, Steam apps, common, Call of Duty HQ, rangrid.sys, and then a number next to it maybe, or something like this. Maybe it doesn't have a number. Just look if it has this part, okay? If this part is correct over here, and this is what it says, that's great because we're going to fix that right now. Now, this error means that the game is looking for this file over here, however it simply cannot find it inside the D drive, even though your game basically is installed on the C drive. That means basically a small part of your game has been installed on another drive, so that's why you can't find it, okay? I mean, the game can't find it. Now, what you want to do is essentially, to fix it, you want to go to your C drive, or to your D drive, to whichever drive you have the game installed, and then you want to find the rangrid.sys file. So simply look for that file inside either the D or the C drive, wherever you have the game installed, and then once you find it, right click on it and copy it. Now, once you find this file and copy it, you want to go back to the file mentioned inside the error. So mind you, it was this one over here. It says failed to open, and then this one, D, game files, Steam library, Steam apps, common, Call of Duty HQ. So make sure you go inside this folder over here that was mentioned inside the error, and then you want to paste that rangrid.sys file in there. And then once you paste it in there, it means the error should no longer be there because, of course, the file that was missing earlier is now inside the folder. So just relaunch the game, and hopefully this will fix the issue for you. The game will open up, and you'll be able to play it as you once were. So I hope this was understandable. As I said, if it wasn't, please just go again through it, listen to it again, follow all the steps, find the missing file, copy it in there, and that's it. Your game will be fixed. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.